Are you a busy professional that's constantly on the go? Do you struggle to find time to eat healthy because your schedule is so hectic? I get it, and you're not alone. With long work hours, meetings, deadlines, it's no surprise that many professionals struggle to maintain a healthy diet. But here's the good news: eating healthy doesn't have to be time consuming or complicated. I'm all about keeping it simple. In fact, there are several easy and practical hacks that you can incorporate into your busy lifestyle to ensure that you are fueling your body with the nutrition it needs so you can perform at your best. So get ready to say goodbye to the quick and unhealthy meals on the go and hello to a more nourishing and energizing approach to eating. In this video, we're going to explore the top healthy eating hacks for busy professionals that will help you save time, feel better, and improve your overall well-being. Hey there, it's Sherry, your go-to health coach, on a mission to transform your life into one of unlimited energy, unstoppable confidence, and optimal balance. If you're ready to supercharge your life without turning it upside down, grab your free copy of the Routine Roadmap. Let's kickstart your journey to a balanced and energized lifestyle. Ready? Let's go. So, the first healthy eating hack for busy professionals is meal prepping. This is going to be so helpful. You want to dedicate a few hours one day a week. I usually like to do it on Sundays to plan and prepare your meals for the upcoming week. So this could look like batch cooking your food. So you cook large portions of versatile food that you can use in a lot of different ways. So think like grilled chicken, quinoa, or even roasted veggies. You can then store them in the individual containers for easy grab and go meals. I also love to use containers that are sized for single meal portions. This makes it a lot easier to avoid overeating, and it also makes your food really easy to transport. Also, make sure that you're freezing some of your meals, like soups, stews, or casseroles are really great to freeze, and then you can just reheat them when needed. It will be a lifesaver on those days that you just don't have the time or energy to make a healthy meal. The second healthy eating hack for busy professionals is to make sure that we are having healthy snacks. So I really like pre-portioned snacks like nuts, seeds, even dried fruit. You could put them in small bags or containers so they're ready to go. Also, at the store, there's some that already come in little packages, like little 100-calorie packs for you. I have these in my desk, in my car, everywhere. It's a really great grab and go snack. You also want to make sure you're keeping some fresh produce on hand each week. So have it washed and cut all ready for you in the fridge for a quick snack. Some of my favorites are carrot sticks, celery, and even apple slices are all great options and are going to fill you up and avoid that sugar crash. We also don't want to forget the protein. So options like Greek yogurt, string cheese, and even hard-boiled eggs, having those available in your fridge will ensure that you always have a great protein snack on hand. And if you have any unhealthy snacks around, try to keep them out of sight to reduce any temptation. So I have to know, what is your favorite snack? Let me know in the comments. The third healthy eating hack for busy professionals is to have a quick and nutritious breakfast. Breakfast is so easy to skip, but we want to make sure that we are starting our day fueling our body. It's going to give us the energy that we need. So what are some quick things that we can grab in the morning if we don't have a lot of time? My number one favorite is overnight oats. You prepare them the night before with some milk or yogurt, and then you can add toppings like fruits or nuts. In the morning, or even just put them in at night when you're making the oats. There's so many different recipes out there, so many great options, but even just keeping it super simple with the oats, the milk, I put some chia seeds in there, have some walnuts and blueberries and raspberries, makes a really great breakfast. Smoothies are also a really great option. It can help you getting your protein if you add in some protein powder. You can play around with the flavors of different fruits and vegetables. So it can be a great option for a quick and nutritious breakfast. A few other great options are a whole grain toast with some avocado or peanut butter or even a boiled egg. And speaking of eggs, don't forget those egg muffins. You can bake eggs with vegetables and cheese in little muffin tins and store them in the fridge and reheat them in the morning. Are you looking for more morning routines to increase your energy and set you up for success throughout the day? Make sure to download my free routine roadmap linked below. The fourth healthy eating hack for busy professionals is to be smart when you eat out. So some tips here are to look up the restaurant menus online beforehand so that you can make sure that you choose healthier options. And make sure you opt for grilled food instead of fried, request dressing on the side, and choose a whole grain bread or wraps. Also, try to envision having a balanced plate. So you want to make sure you have some lean protein, vegetables, and some whole grains. And then also consider taking half of your entree home to avoid overeating. So you may be in a role where you're having to travel a lot for work and have to eat out, or maybe you are going out on business lunches, business dinners, and it's adding up over time. If you're not making the best choices, you may end up feeling bloated and just lethargic, not a lot of energy from the foods that you're picking. So if you have these tips and tricks in your back pocket that you can utilize, you will find with practice over time, you can start to make really good choices that will allow you to enjoy eating out and still feel really good. So the fifth healthy eating hack for busy professionals is to use different meal services or apps. We want to make this as easy on ourselves as possible. So meal delivery services are a great option for balanced portion controlled meals. Also, you can save a lot of time by using grocery delivery services to order fresh, healthy foods directly to your door. And don't forget about different nutrition apps. When you record everything you're eating during the day, it can be a real eye opener. So you want to utilize apps that can track your meals and ensure that you're staying on track with your different nutritional needs. Let me know in the comments if you have any favorite apps you like to use. So to eat healthy as a busy professional, you want to make sure that you are meal prepping, having healthy snacks, making sure that you have a quick and nutritious breakfast. Be smart when you eat out and use technology to your advantage. Be sure to subscribe so you can get notified of my next video. And if this was helpful, please give it a like. I'll talk to you soon, and I'll definitely see you in the next video.